Fáilte and welcome to Irish Gaelic Grammar 101. It's Mrs. Siobhan. I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish. And here is another instalment in our grammar series. This series focuses on helping you crack the code of the basics of Irish Gaelic grammar. Today let's discuss Lenition, which is known in Irish as shay-voo, also known as aspiration in English. Shay-voo. Repeat after me. Shay-voo. Now let's get into what it means. Its function is to make speaking easier, and it also makes sentences more precise. Shay-voo or Lenition is indicated in modern day Irish with a letter H after the first consonant of a word. If you see a word with a H following the first consonant, such as a noun, chat, a verb, vi, or an adjective, war, and you want to find out what the word means, remove the H before looking up the word in the dictionary. The H is inserted there as a result of what comes before it in a sentence. There are many reasons for this, which we won't go into here. You can learn when to add the shay-voo to a word by learning the rules in a grammar book or online. You can learn the most important of these rules and practice using them on www.bitesize.irish. You can learn more Irish by taking the Bite Size Irish free trial at www.bitesize.irish. Slán go fóileáin.